Hello world, Shelly here, and today we've got a vlog. I am going to take you with me. I gotta pack up an order, got a couple other orders from yesterday that I need to drop off at the post office. Then we're gonna go to my office at work, and I bought a couple of chairs that I want to put together and bring into my office before the spring semester starts. So let's pack up an order for Laura, and then we'll get on our way, shall we? So Laura's getting a Secret Garden whipped soap and my latest limited edition for Valentine's Day strawberry pound cake body butter. Right, Ziva? Here's a secret that'll probably be on the website by the time you see this. All of the new scents of magnesium lotion that I put together that are also in new packaging. What do you think? I like the aesthetic. It's cute. Alright, weird angle, I know. Like my Casey Neistat gear. This is OG. OG Casey Neistat back in the day. Alright, first we tape together a box. Ooh, will this fit in my smaller box? Let's see. Maybe this will fit in my smaller box. Let's find out, shall we? I like these boxes that you don't need tape to assemble them. But they were out of those boxes the last time I needed to order. So my 9x4x6, I had to get plain old regular ones that you just tape up the bottoms. But I really like the foldable ones much better. I know you can't see all my face. Maybe if I stand back. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Be right back. I need to chop a piece of packing material. If you are unaware, I recycle packaging material that I get from like my Amazon boxes and my ingredient orders so that I don't have to pay for bubble wrap, because really you have to pay for bubble wrap because it all gets wrapped into the price. So this means more of your money is going to ingredients instead of bubble wrap. I say bubble wrap, but I prefer recyclable, and the Amazon boxes tend to come with that. This paper, which I like. Question is, will this fit? Yeah! Oh, I'm kind of shocked. Alright, let's get the cute tissue paper. I love this stuff. It's got little glitter pieces in it. It's so cute. Alright, so we press that in there. We make sure the cap is on good. Same with this one. These, you know, I got these new containers that have a clear lid, and they've got that protector, like sealed thing, but it's ugly. So I don't know if I want to go back to using a solid color lid so that you can't see that thing, because that thing is just ugly, right? I don't know. Aesthetics are important to me. Alright, let me get some scooper doopers. These are the little bamboo scoopers. I don't know if I like the bamboo or if I'm going to go back to the plastic ones. I like the look of the bamboo ones, but I feel like they absorb the oils from the product and then you have to throw them away sooner than you might have to throw away a plastic one, which seems more wasteful, even though the whole point was to be more sustainable. I don't know. These are the things I think about. Now, I need to write my note to Laura. Thank you, Laura. You're the best. You're the best. Happy New Year. I almost just spelled my name wrong. So when you see the little E that doesn't quite look like an E, that's because I don't know how to write my name. That is just the world we live in now. Pop this in here with a business card, just in case you want to share. Alright. Now, let's wrap this up and tuck all the tissue paper in here. Ooh, I wonder if this is going to make it too thick. Let's find out. Oh, gotta write. Then I like to write on the boxes. Because when you open your box, what's more fun than getting like a hi with a happy face? I will tell you, I was inspired by, there's a company called Mad Micas. This is where I get my colored micas for my products. And they do that. They write on the boxes. And it always gives me a smile. And so I thought, if I ever have products that I sell, I'm going to do that too. And so that's where I got that idea. From Mad Micas. Yay, it fit. Thank you, Mad Micas. They make the best micas. They're also very conscious of sustainably sourcing their micas. So I like them. If you're into any kind of crafts that require mica, Mad Micas. All right, let's weigh this thing. Ooh, just under a pound. Let me get a shipping label and I'll be back. Welcome to my office. I was going to time-lapse assembling these chairs, but there were people here, so I was chatting with people. But these are my new chairs. They're replacing these chairs, which are ugly as sin. So this is my office. These are my stickers. I love stickers. Stickers are the best. These are my new chairs. This reminds me I need to get a new calendar. These are the Dave Matthews posters that I swore when I came here I was going to change them every year. I've been here like 14 years and I haven't changed them yet, so that never happens. Lava lamp. I bought this moon lamp, which is new, but it doesn't seem to be working. I don't know, maybe it needs to charge. So yeah, this is my hot mess. It is a mess. It is what it is. I don't really worry about it. There's my view. I do have a window, which is a good thing. Here's the view of the chairs from my perspective. The lava lamp gives me joy. So do the chairs now. So yeah, welcome to my office. These books are so outdated. I haven't picked up like a proper book in so many years, but I can't get rid of them because like they're my past, like they're my history, they're the foundation of everything that I've done, and now they're like souvenirs. My trip to Vegas last Thanksgiving. I don't remember what that was, a conference of some kind. Yeah. My tenure binders. Now it's all digital. You could hurt a small child with this thing. That was when I got promoted to associate professor. Hopefully, this coming August, I will be promoted to full professor. Here's my Guinness World Record for my gaming guild. I am a member of the largest and longest continually operating gaming guild in the world. Thank you very much, LLTS. The Syndicate. Alright. My parking meter is almost done. Alright, I'm parked at one of the electric charging spots and my meter's almost done, so I am going to head on out of here. Thank you for coming along with me, and people are watching me. I thought I was going to come here, there'd be nobody here because we don't go back to school for a few more days, but yeah, so I'm going to hightail it out of here. Thanks for coming along on my day. I love my new chairs. They were $80 on Wayfair. They were on sale though, so I will link them down below. Not $80 each, $80 for the pair. I will link them in case you like them. They were very easy to assemble. And as always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over whatever this was. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.